Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have this Seiko watch, 2000s era Seiko watch. Number on it is, a movement number on it is 7942. It's got some nice details, two-tone bracelet slash case, blue face, blue dial, and the kind of the funky non-numeric hour marks, I'll call that, where they go from gold to light blue. Gold second hand, and then obviously some high contrast white dial hands. The date is at the 3 o'clock position. Only the day, I guess you would call that, not necessarily day of the week or anything like that. It is water resistant, and it does have a screw down back. Things I like about this one, I picked this up in a lot, as usual, in a lot of a bunch of watches. Crystal scratched pretty bad. I've been buffing it for a while, try to get it cleaner. It's coming clean, but still, you know, scratched pretty bad. Probably would have to sell it cheaper if I wanted to sell this one. But here's something unique about this one, and it is the clasp. If you've watched any of these videos before, you know how much I can't stand the Seiko bands. This one actually is much better. Many of my other Seikos will pop right off, you know, when I hit them on the table, but this one is nice and strong. Let's get some details on this one. You know, according to the Retro Seiko website, this one, it was either made in 1996 or 2006. I'm going to guess it's 2006, just by the condition of this watch. It could be a 96. Don't know, but let's get some size details. We got the case is about 38 millimeters. We got a lug to lug, which is about 40 millimeters. Our lug width is about 18, and let's get a thickness on this. And our thickness is about 9 millimeters. So not a huge watch. You know, I like this one. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this one. I'm gonna keep it in my collection until I can get that crystal all shined up a little bit better. See if I can get it. I'll get some macro shots like I always do at the end of the videos, so you can get a better look at the condition of this. Let me know what you think about this one. You know, in the 80s, growing up, I was always a fan of the Seikos, but I don't know. I just looked up the movement on this watch, 7942. And you can buy a new movement for about $18 to $20 online, which kind of shocked me. I mean, I don't know. I guess it's more sentimental value than there is real value in a Seiko. I guess, you know, this is a budget watch channel, but you know, I deal in budget watches. It was just I don't know. I just assumed the movement would be a little bit more than that. But you know, hey, quartz movement. I guess you're paying more for supposed style. If we look at the little bit of the style, the two-tone, you know, the shapes in here, the curvature of the case to ease into the band there, covered crown, slightly covered crown, not all the way. Just a lot of unique details in this one, and I'm sure that's what you're going to pay for. I do like the dial. The dial is it's a pretty dial. The blue, a little bit funky. There you might be able to see that scratch a little bit better. There's a couple nice gouges in there. But yeah, not a bad watch. Keeping it in the collection for now. Who knows, may move it. Let me know what you think about this one, guys. Let me know if you've had one of these in the past. Again, I really like the clasp on this one. So let's get to those macros and some shots on the wrist, and we'll wrap this video up.